into the world of Persian flavors. In this tutorial, we'll unlock the secrets behind crafting a traditional Persian cake that's as rich in history as it is in taste. From the delicate aroma of rosewater to the perfect blend of saffron and pistachios, this recipe is a celebration of culture and creativity. Ready to bake some magic? Let's get started. Flour, 210 grams. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons. Sugar, 80 grams. Edible cooking oil, 25 grams. Eggs, 5. Brewed saffron, 75 grams, for a divine aroma and vibrant color. These ingredients create a fantastic base for a flavorful and aromatic cake. Let me know if you'd like me to help with the steps for preparation or tips for a flawless result. Let's bring your Persian cake to life with flavor and flair. *** Cherry Blossom Shortcake. Step 1 ** Start by whisking the eggs and sugar at high speed. Watch as the mixture transforms into a fluffy, golden base, setting the stage for perfection. Step 2 * Gently fold in the brewed saffron and edible oil. These magical ingredients will add richness and aroma to your creation. Step 3 * Mix the baking powder with the flour and incorporate it in 3 stages, ensuring a smooth and lump-free batter. Take your time, this step is the key to a light, airy cake. Step 4 * Pour the luscious batter into your cake pan and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes. Your kitchen will smell heavenly. Filling fun **. Once the cake has baked and cooled, slice it into layers, unveiling its golden goodness. Whip up a dreamy filling by blending whipped cream, saffron, and a touch of yellow food coloring. Want to make it extra special? Add ground pistachios or anything else your heart desires. Now it's time for my favorite part, frosting. Let your creativity shine as you spread the cream, savoring the calm and joy this step brings. If you love this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and let the world taste the magic of Persian baking. Don't forget to subscribe for more delightful creations, and leave a comment below. I can't wait to hear about your baking adventures. Let's keep the sweet vibes going. Finally, decorate your masterpiece with slivered pistachios and edible dried rose petals for a stunning Persian-inspired design. And there you have it, our stunning Persian cake is complete. A blend of timeless tradition and artistic flair, this dessert isn't just about taste, it's a story, a celebration, and a feast for the senses. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did, and that you feel inspired to bring a bit of Persian magic to your own kitchen. Don't forget to share your creations with me. I'd love to see your masterpieces. Until next time, happy baking!